the secondhand store one day, which I tried to avoid, and they had these packets of, well, there's little dolphins, blue and white glittered dolphins. There's starfish, and there was also little waves. And these are a little felt, but a very sturdy felt, and they've got stickers on the back. So I bought 2 packages of those. I was sorting through here, and then I got out my little bookmarkers, and I got these online at what is it, AliExpress. And just playing around with these little waves and dolphins, I thought, well, maybe I can try a few bookmarkers here. But I know I made too much resin. I'm just looking at that right now going, oh my God, what am I thinking? Anyway, I know I want a white background with the blue dolphins. And I was going to add a little silver glitter to the white for the white dolphins. And they're very close to the top of the mold. So I'm hoping if I can do a thin layer on each one of these, then I can stick the stickers on when it sets, and then do a top coat, and they'll be finished. Oh, here's a little glitter stars I got from AliExpress too. So now I have too much resin. Oh, here's another thought. Well, I guess I'll get to that if I have to. But for now, I'm going to set the ones with the white dolphins aside so I don't get all mixed up. Lord knows I get mixed up. Set those aside. And we're just going to dump these. Oh, there's another white one. So one of the dolphins going a particular way, and the others in the package are going the other way. But the waves are going the same way, so yeah, that's where I ended up doing 2 different colors. So, and you know, I could have swore there was 12 bookmarks in this package, meaning there was 4 of each, you know, 4 small, 4 medium, and 4 large. I can only find 2 large, but you know, they're probably in my stash, who knows where. So, whoop, cat hair. I'm not surprised. There we go. Okay, so what I want to do is just pour a little in and kind of move them back and forth, so it's just a very thin layer. That probably won't be, but this is my thought. And I'm going to have extra resin. Ooh, I could make a big bloom. Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me. Anyway, I thought this would be an easy project, since I had these molds and the little foamies. They're called Creatology, and I'm sure you can find them in most craft stores, possibly Michael's too, I don't know. Let me just get these moved around a little bit. I just want a thin layer, because we're not going to have much room. And I'll probably make one heck of a mess. Buttering toast. Okay, I have more than I need as far as resin goes. So, I just put a little white in here. I'm gonna just add some of my Just For You Online UK Silver Shimmer. Look at that. Ooh, I haven't used this yet. I spilt it before though. I'm trying to find a bigger stick. Get a good bunch in here. Isn't that pretty? Oh, it looks like satiny smooth. I don't imagine we need much. It's so light. Oh my God, it's so light as a feather. I also have rose gold too that I have not used yet. You know, I'm almost afraid to try fancy things. I will. By golly, I will. So, here we go, another stick. Stir this up. Oh, it didn't need much. Look at that. Oh, dear Lord. Can you see how pretty that is? You can't see how pretty that is. In real life, it's gorgeous. So this is going to be the background of the white glitter dolphins. So I am going to try this again. I'm going to pour and see if I can, how far I can get. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, that was only 4, a little more bookmarks. Now, oh, all is not lost. Look at that big circle, that gap that just opened right up. Whoops. All right. Hi everybody, I am back to put the little stickers on these bookmarks. I let them set overnight, and that's okay. I just was lazy yesterday afternoon, couldn't get with the program, so I started placing my little stickers on here, and I'm going to go ahead and fast forward and finish them off for you. There's barely enough room. They barely clear the top of this bookmark. And you know, I said felt yesterday when I was looking through reviewing what I had recorded. These are not felt, these are foam, so please excuse me. I'll have to fix that. So we're just gonna move this one up here. Let's go grab another large one. And I'm putting 2 dolphins on here. So we'll get our wave down. And I have to get close. That one I didn't get very close to the edge. I had it rather crooked. So let me see if I can do a better job this time. There we go. There we go. And we'll get the little white dolphins. And actually they had little holes for their eyes, so I popped their eyes out with a toothpick. The backing off. That one's not very, it's not coming off. There we go, got it. He's going to be up at an angle. Jump in that big old wave. We'll get another wave. And I'll just keep going. Okay, look what I have here. This was a little pop socket or phone grip mold that needs a top coat. And I thought, well, for goodness sakes, we'll just put a little dolphin in there while we're at it. That will be cute. I did put contact paper on the back, and we're just going to place him. It was kind of close, but place in there. Add a little starfish. Just like that. Too cute, aren't they? Okay. I need to make more resin now, and okay, I made 2 ounces of resin, and we're just gonna top coat, and something tells me on a few they might be a little too high for the mold, but we're just gonna go with it and see what happens. So I'm just going to try to be very careful and pour this without making someone over the edges, and I'm going to try to clean up as time passes, but I won't do that now. I'm going to take my gloves off because we're going to add a little glitter. Oh, I think they're really cute, aren't they? Yeah. Where is my little... Oh, come on, glove. Get off. So it's a toss-up. I have this glitter here. It's like an aquamarine. Then I have these little stars. But I think, I don't know about these stars. I think we're just gonna go little glitter, very little amount of glitter, and I have a little spoon here. If I can just, well, let's do it. Maybe just little patches. I don't want it on my waves, I want it on the white part. So I guess I better use this little spoon or scoop. We can separate it a little bit. So I'm going to play with this and I will let you go and catch up with you when these are set. So I will say thank you for watching. Of course, I always appreciate you watching, and I can't talk right today. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate you all. Please have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye. All right. Oh, now the little bookmarks. Oh, look at these. Oh, aren't these cute? Oh, look at that. I don't see bubbles. I know there's overflow. I know there is, but they all got covered. They're all covered, which is really good. Really good. Bit of a dome, but yeah. Let's see. Oh, that is cute, right? Oh, I forgot to grab the tassels. I have some tassels. I'll put a few tassels on here. Maybe I can bead a loop. We'll have to see. I'll finish them up and show you when I'm done unmolding and get the edges cleaned up. But they're cute. Oh, look at this one. Yep. Oh, that needs a little sanding. I'll have to get my Dremel out. They're still quite flexible because they are thin. It'll take a little bit of time for those to set up completely, but I like them. Aren't those cute? Okay. Well, I want to wish everyone a good day, and I will get these finished up, cleaned up, and show you a finished photo. All right? Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much. I hope you liked the video. Please. Well, here they are, the little dolphin bookmarkers. They turned out really nice. Now, I had the ribbon, I had the charms, and I had the findings, so went ahead and did them like this. Hope you liked them. Thanks, everybody. See you next time. Bye.